kasama yung kanyang ano. Dito na lang, ano?
Dito na lang.
Malalim eh.
Dito na lang.
Sorry, I can go there. So, Jerome! Dito ka na lang ibibigay. Dali, marili ka lang. Bilisan mo.
Oh,
Sorry, I can't go there. Because it's too...
hi.
Okay. I called Jerome to get it here. And I gave it to him. This is rice. Dito na lang, Jerome. Ayan. Hindi naman mababasa.
Baka ano yan?
Okay, yan. Important. Hindi, ano, maghahanap ako ng pagayang kay Ken, wala pa lang ako pala ito. At sa chicken. Yan. Yan, ako na yan. Chicken na lang. Ay, binila mo pala ng, ano, ng alcohol at kailangan ng alcohol at na bagyo. Yan. Tapos, of course, vegetables. Yan, kompleto kikado na yun. And because it's half, so I saved for the other amount. Money. Here. Okay. Bye. Ito na lang.
Thank you, Mr. John.
You see? No. It's no land anymore. Water. Here. This is my half of the money. I have bread, garlic, yeah, onion, and pork, coconut bread, egg, and plus rice. We have a candle right here. Okay. Thank you.